Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use DoorDash application on your Android for beginners. Using the DoorDash app on Android for beginners is a relatively straightforward process. Before diving into the video, let me tell you what DoorDash is. DoorDash is a popular food delivery service that allows users to order food online from a wide variety of restaurants and have it delivered directly to their doorstep. It operates in many cities across the United States, Canada, and Australia, offering a convenient way for people to enjoy restaurant quality meals from the comfort of their homes or workplaces. In order to start using DoorDash on your mobile device, you'll first need to download and install the app. So let's get to the video step by step. Step 1. Download and install DoorDash. Open up your Google Play Store application from your Android phone. Go to the search box and type in DoorDash in the search bar and search. Look for this DoorDash food delivery application in the search result and tap on the install button to start downloading DoorDash on your Android device. Now wait for the application to download and install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to start launching Open DoorDash application. Step 2. Create an account. Upon opening the application, you will be prompted to sign up for a new account. You can tap on the Continue with Email, Continue with Google, Facebook, or the Apple option according to your need and preference. Select any one option from the list and follow through the instructions. I'm gonna choose the Google option from the list. Select your Google account or enter your Google account's credential. Enter the email and password for your Google account correct. Upon selecting one of the options, you will be taken to the sign in or the sign up page. Simply go ahead and create a new account if you don't have a DoorDash account yet. Tap on sign up at the top right and enter your first name, your last name, and email address, and select your country code and type in your preferred mobile number. After entering your information, tap on the sign up button and you will be asked to verify your email address or phone number. Simply follow through the prompts and enter the code that you received via your email or phone number. Once you are done, allow necessary permission for the application, such as notifications, location, and much more. Once you provide your location, you will then be able to land in the main homepage for DoorDash. Step 3. Browse restaurants. After setting up your account and choosing your address or allowing access to your location service, you will then be taken to the home screen from where you can browse through available restaurants in your area. Scroll through the list of restaurants or use the search bar at the top of the screen to find a specific cuisine or a restaurant. You can also filter search restaurant by categories such as ratings, under 30 minutes, price, dash pass, and much more. Step 4. Placing an order. Once you've found a restaurant you'd like to order from, simply tap open the restaurant, and once you open up their profile, you will be able to view featured items that you can order from, ratings and review for the restaurant, their menu, and others. Browse through the menu and select the items you'd like to order by tapping on them. Now select your side choices and other options you'd like to prefer in your order or add on your order. Customize your order as needed, and after you are done, tap on Add to Cart. Once you've added the order on your cart, in order to review your order, simply go ahead and tap on the cart icon at the top right from your main homepage. Now tap on View Cart. After you are done adding the product, you can now tap on the Continue button after making sure everything's okay. On the next page, you will need to select your payment method and enter your payment information. You can select between save payment method or add a new payment method from the options displayed on the screen. Select any one payment method and enter the rest of your information, and you will be able to confirm your order. If you've got a promo code or gift card, you can enter it inside Redeem a Gift Card to add credits option. Enter your gift card number in the Pin tab, and you will then be able to use a promo code or a gift card for this purchase. After placing an order, you will receive a confirmation screen with the estimated delivery time. You can now track the status of your order in real time by tapping on the Orders tab at the bottom right from the main homepage. You will be able to see updates on when the restaurant accepts your order, prepares it, and when dashers will be able to drop it on your location. After you are done receiving your order, you will have the opportunity to rate your experience and leave feedbacks for the restaurant and delivery driver. Step 5. Adjust settings. If you ever want to adjust your account settings for DoorDash, you will need to tap on your human icon at the top right hand corner from the main homepage. This will then take you to your Accounts tab, from where you can manage your profile, your address information, notification setting, privacy settings, and others. You will be able to customize your profile settings from this tab without any problem. By following these detailed steps, you should be able to use DoorDash application on your Android as a beginner. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.